guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I got this new military toy. I got it off Amazon. It just came in right now, so we're going to be opening it. It's this U.S. Army helicopter. Let's open it. Opening it up. Sorry for the long wait for a brand new video, guys. I was just doing some stuff at school, and yeah. But other than that, yeah. Sorry for a long wait for a brand new, epic, awesome, cool video. But yeah, this helicopter is really cool looking. Here's the first guy. Comes with two soldiers. This soldier comes with a bunker and some equipment. Got some more. Bam. Got another soldier. Comes with a weapons tree, some machine guns, some backpacks, the helicopter, a bunker. First drop of the day. What you know? Let me grab our soldier. Let me undo this chopper so it's ready for battle. I got not zip ties, but these thingamabobs. These things. Got that one. And the Army helicopter. Bam. This is really cool helicopter, guys. This is so cool. Here's the chopper. It's like a two-seater, I guess. I don't know what this red thing's for, but here's the helicopter. Let me just get somebody in. But okay, there's the heli. I used to always think this guy was like a diver, an underwater diver, because he has like a goggles and stuff. But I think this guy's either a pilot or a tank commander. I don't know. It's like a one-seater little chopper. Very cool. Very, very cool. Let me get this guy in there. See if he's ready for combat. Bam, I got him in. That's how he looks in the chopper. Pretty cool. He's like... I don't think this is really like maybe an attack helicopter. I think this might be more like a transport, maybe. I don't know. There's only like a one-seater, so maybe it's not transport, but you give me that guy like that. Ah! Okay, so that's like the main thing. Got like a little side build. But like, oh, here's like this machine gun, like little base thing. This machine gun. Here it is. Bam! There it is. That's like the ground. He goes. It could maybe like zombies, dinosaurs, whatever is your enemy or foe you're fighting today. Whatever is the common foe. So maybe zombies, some bad guys. Oh no, maybe you could use these guys for SWAT. I don't know. Here's the weapons tree. I got millions of these. Of course, anybody that collects military toys and plays with them probably has a million of them. Because at least every military toy set you get has a weapons tree. Bam. Here's that fell. Last thing, this back 3, 4, I don't know how many drops, but probably 3 drops. 2 backpacks. Comment down below which one's your favorite. This kind of like a gear bag. Maybe this is a weapons one. I'll put this one, I guess, on him. Because he's like the soldier. And he's the pilot. Ah, he fell. I'll put the supply bag with this guy. But that is the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And this helicopter is signing off.